Looking for a Corvette? Here's a beauty. 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Victory red, of course. Interior is ebony with red also. Now underneath the hood on these Z06s, of course, the 505 horsepower, 427 cubic inch LS7 motor, always known as a 7.0 liter. Now, this particular car, two-owner car, adult-driven. We know the complete history of this car. The first owner had it up to approximately 4,000 miles. Second owner bought it with approximately that on it, and it now has 10,000 original miles, just a little bit over. Very well taken care of car. Always used Mobil 1 synthetic oil in it. You can see the front nose cone here that I've been showing you. Very nice condition. There might be just a very few, and that's actually a bug. I don't even really see a whole lot for chips, nicks, dings, or anything on it. So very, very clean front nose cone. I'm sure if you get a magnifying glass out, go over it with a fine-tooth comb, you're going to find a few very, very, very small ones, but nothing that stands out. Even take a look up on the hood, typically where you'll see some of the chips. There might be one little tiny one that I can't even get to show up in the camera. Anyway, gives you an idea of the condition of this car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Polished aluminum Z06 wheels, drilled rotors. Look at the size of those. Excellent performance car. We're noticing that these Z06s have been holding strong lately also, with the higher horsepower engines after the new release. These Z06s staying very popular. Now, interior 6-speed Tremec T56. As you can see, navigation, heated seats. There's that ebony and red interior. Clean Carfax on this car. I have not seen anything that would indicate any sort of paint work. No accidents indicated. Again, confirms miles, confirms two owners. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. These cars new, over $66,000. This one is priced to sell. If you compare ones out there with similar miles, you're going to see this is priced very competitively. So again, don't be afraid to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out those interior pics, engine bay, underside. You can see how clean this car is. They're at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. I have not noticed anything as far as any sort of modifications to this. Nothing has been stated there. All right. Over here in the door panel, memory seats, power mirrors, power windows, power locks. Heads-up display, controls right there. Push button start. Show you the exact miles on here. Pop up, like I said, a little over 10,000. There you go, 10,129. Get navigation, stereo, dual climate control, all the standard goodies you're going to get in the Z06. Listen to this, sounds like a beast. All right, let me slip around to the back so you can hear this. FYI, when I mentioned the back, made me think of the trunk. It does have the cargo cover in the back, kind of the privacy cover in the back. It also has a car cover back there. Just want to let you know about that. Listen to that. Great sounding car again. 7-liter, 505 horse V8 underneath the hood. Wow. Speaking of which, I'm going to pause this. Let's pop the hood. I'm going to show you how clean it is underneath there. Just what you'd expect out of a well taken care of 10,000 mile car. All right, hood pop. First of all, I want to show you this hood liner. Take a look at that. I don't think this car's been driven in the rain. There's no staining, no debris, nothing that's got on that hood liner. Wow. Here you go. Look at this engine bay. Basically like the day it came from Bowling Green. I notice once in a while we get questions on these inner fenders. Those are supposed to be gray. That's the way you're going to see them in 07s. Had that question before. Matches on this side. No, clean Carfax. No paintwork. No accident. Slip around to this other side here. Again, pretty much spotless, just the way you'd expect it to be. There you go. So if you're in the market for 2007 Z06, wow, here you go. Great deal, great car, great miles. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with transportation. Financing is available. And of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.